Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Moz SEO rankings, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your Moz SEO rankings, start by analyzing your current rankings and traffic trends. Use Moz tools to identify which keywords have lost visibility. Next, conduct a thorough site audit to identify technical SEO issues. Check for broken links, missing alt tags, and duplicate content. Evaluate your site's page speed and mobile responsiveness. Once you've gathered data, prioritize the issues based on their potential impact. After addressing technical issues, review your on-page SEO elements. Ensure that your title tags and meta descriptions are optimized for target keywords. Update your content to make it more relevant and engaging for users. Consider adding new sections or resources to enhance value. Next, focus on your backlink profile. Identify any toxic or spammy links and disavow them if necessary. Look for opportunities to acquire new, quality backlinks. Outreach to industry influencers or relevant sites for guest blogging opportunities. As you implement these changes, continuously track your rankings and traffic. Utilize Moz rank tracking tools to monitor improvements over time. Adapt your strategy based on performance data and emerging trends. Revise your content regularly to keep it fresh and interesting. Engage with your audience through social media and email newsletters. Foster a community around your content to improve user engagement. By consistently applying these steps, you'll be on your way to recovering your Moz SEO rankings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.